So now we need to start thinking about inserting our precast hollow core slab into our project. Now I've got the family open, the RFA file, and as usual it's a lot easier to insert a family into a project after you've designed it by using the Load into Project here at the end of the ribbon. Now this is also available on the Insert tab, you'll notice, Load into Project and so on. So what I'm going to do is save it first, like you should always do so, and then load into our project. Now, it already exists in the project, so do I want to overwrite the existing version? Of course I do. In this case I will. So that's now ready. What I need to do now is go to the Structure tab in the Revit project and go to Beam, like so. And you can see there, it's defaulted to my precast hollow core slab. It's right there. So what I've got to do now is actually insert that into my drawing itself. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag and I'm going to make that, let's say, 20 feet long. So I'll click to there, click there, 20 feet, enter. Now, it's not visible. Now, the reason it isn't visible is because we need to make sure that it's above the level of our floor plan, which is currently at level 1. So the start extension at the moment is at 0, 0. So what I need to do is go and look in one of my elevations. So if I look in my east elevation, for example, you can see my beam is there. So if I zoom in now, there it is, like so. So if I select it, it's all there. There's my precast hollow core slab. I can change the settings here. So if I go to coarse, it just shows as the outline we created. If I set that to medium, it shows the holes in the slab. If I set it to fine, it shows the holes in the slab. But what I need to do is lift it up. So if I click on it in the elevation like that, can you see we've got a start level offset and an end level offset? If I change those by 1 foot, what'll happen is that will actually lift it up. So if I just delete that there and put 1 in there in the properties and do the same at this end as well, and put the 1 in there like that and apply that, it lifts it above the marker of the level. So if I now come back here to my level 1, it's now visible. So if I zoom in on that now, there's my 20 feet long beam. So if I just click away from that now, you can see there, if I change the settings to coarse, it just shows us the block as the grey. Medium, it shows the hidden detail. Fine, it shows the hidden detail. If I now change these settings to wireframe, it shows it like that, as in it's showing the holes in the slab, the circular holes going through the slab. Hidden line, it shows it like that. It shows the outline of the slab, but it shows the hidden line as well. So that's how you place your precast hollow core slab that you've created as a custom family in Revit Structure.